children, today we are going to learn to write the alphabets A to Z. Before we begin the class, I want you all to bring red and blue line book, pencil and eraser. Let us begin to write capital A, small a to capital Z, small z. Capital A, red line to the bottom, blue line. Small a, between blue line. Capital B, red line to bottom, blue line. Small b, red line to blue line. Capital C, red line to bottom, blue line. Small c, between blue line. Capital D, red line to bottom, blue line. Small d, red line to bottom, blue line. The first row we have completed. Now come to the second row. Capital E, red line to bottom, blue line. Small e, between blue line. Capital F, red line to bottom, blue line. Small f, red line to bottom, blue line. Capital G, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small g, from middle, blue line. Capital H, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small h, from red line to blue line. The second row we have completed. Now come to the third row. Capital I, from red line to blue line. Small I, between blue line. Capital J, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small j, middle of blue line. Capital K, red line to bottom, blue line. Small k, from red line to blue line. Capital L, red line to bottom, blue line. Small l, from red line to blue line. Third row has been completed. Now come to the fourth row. Capital M, from red line to blue line. Small m, between blue line. Capital N, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small n, between blue line. Capital O, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small o, between blue line. Capital P, from red line to blue line. Small p, begin from blue line. The fourth row has been completed. Now come to the fifth row. From capital Q, from red line to blue line. Small q, from middle of the blue line. Capital R, from red line to bottom, blue line. Small r, between blue line. Capital S from red line to bottom blue line. Small s between blue line. Capital T from red line to bottom blue line. Small t from red line to bottom blue line. The fifth row has been completed. Now come to the sixth row. Capital U from red line to bottom blue line. Small u between blue line. Capital V from red line to blue line. Small v between blue line. Capital W from red line to bottom blue line. Small w between blue line. Capital X from red line to blue line. Small x between blue line. Now sixth row we have completed. Come to the seventh row. Capital Y from red line to bottom blue line. Small y from blue line. Capital Z from red line to blue line. Small z between blue line. Children, now we have completed our alphabets from A to Z. Now let us repeat. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Well done, children. We have completed our alphabets from capital A to Z. Now you all can sit at home and practice the alphabets. Thank you.